Yeah, okay, welcome, and we are continuing. We are looking at the translation, and this time we are going to look at translation in the vertical axis, in other words, in the y-axis. How um, how do we translate in the y-axis? In this case here, the image will move up or down. I mean, in the positive way, when it moves up of the object, it means it moves in the positive direction. But if it moves down the object or the pre-image, it moves in the negative direction. Now here, image and pre-image, they are both in the same position. So you can see C dash here. So all things are there. And now I will move it up. This is up. Okay? So it moves up. When it moves up, this is the pre-image or the object. It stays stationary, doesn't move. Right? This one does not move unless otherwise. But what moves is the image. The image moves, and it moves up or down. So the movement here is in the y-axis. As you see here, this is y-axis, and this movement here is up. We can count. We can write the translation here is in the y-axis. Okay, so every point of the pre-image or of the object adds to 5 units, as you see here. Every unit adds to 5. It was 3 here. It was 3. It was 3 before here. It was 3 before, and now it is 8. You see, a dash is 8. It was 3. Now 3 add 5 is 8, and it was 4 here. 4 add 5 to be 9. You see, this is C dash. C dash. C does not correspond to this. Correspond to the D dash. So it was 2. You see, it was 2. Y was 2 here, and the Y is now 7. Add 5. But you see, X is the same, so there is no change in X. X is still 1 here. It is still 4 here. X is still 2 here, and X is still 2 there. So the only change is in the y-axis. Now I will move it down this way. Now when it becomes 0, it means there is no translation here. You see, when it is 0 here, there is no translation at all. There, not there, but there is no translation. But now when I move it down like here, now I move it there, 4. Every point is subtracted 4. So it was 3 minus 4. It is going to negative 1, but X is still 1. It's going negative 1. It was 5. 5 minus 4 becomes B dash. It becomes 1. A new point is 1. And this is 4 minus 4. It is going to 0. While this is 2 minus 4 is going to negative 2. You can see there. So this is translation in the y-axis, vertical axis. No change in x. And the translation in the horizontal axis, which is left or right, no change in y. You should get that. So we will move to a translation whereby both x and y changes. It moves horizontally and it moves vertically. But now in this one, as you see, there is no change in x. There is only change in y. So thank you so much for listening, and hope you have understood things. Join me when we are going to discuss translation. Translation whereby there will be a change in both x and y. Thank you for watching.